Right, I've got 4 cars up there. They're all the same, all out of the Track Builder kits. I've done a few tweaks to the track, and everything's just sitting there at the moment. As you can see, it's sitting on boxes, so it's pretty dodgy. All this top part's all right. Let's give it a crack and see what happens. 4 cars, 4 lanes, 4-lane madness. Here we go. Not bad at all, not bad. Cars do have a tendency to spin out on this track, which I think is great in itself. So there we go. I'm pretty actually wrapped with the performance of this track. The only thing I've got to do next is, I think the finish line is going to be around about here, I think. And then I just need to swing these cars back around onto a 180, onto a, I need to make a merger, that's what I'm trying to say, a 4-lane merger. And then it'll just come back around a single lane merger back out through to here. It's a bit of a short run from that turn down through here. I do have a little bit of extra room just in there, which I could just extend it a bit. Maybe make the finish line here or something, I don't know. Anyway, there it is, 4-lane madness. Almost done as far as how the build goes. Oh, a couple of other things I've done. I've just put some wood in here just so the cars, you know, go over there. You know, they go over there. There's another one there. I might make a 3D printed bridge. That's what I might do. 3D printed bridges. That might look pretty cool actually. And here, I'm probably just going to have just a piece of wood here. That's a bit of a vicious drop down through there. I might try and keep that a bit straighter. And here I just need to bank this in a bit. That's all. Just to stop the cars from potentially flying off in this direction. Or I might actually have to put more 3D printed parts like this in here. It's just, you know, the orange track, it has, because the walls are so shallow, they have a tendency to want to spin out a bit. But apart from that, I'm pretty wrapped with where we're at. So the next few days will just now be getting all this area locked in, and then, you know, away we go. We'll be racing hopefully in a week or 2. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Okay, we can't leave without throwing them down again. Okay, everyone ready, set, go! And the winner is number 2. Don't know which one. This guy's come off the track, and this guy as well. I reckon we're in for a load of fun and games on this track. Okay, catch you later.